Hey y'all, this is Dave with Tbsp Smokes. I was inspired by another friend of mine, Mike, at Cooking with Big Cat 305. He had a recipe for a delicious beef stew, and it was really unique how he layered the ingredients. And that's what I wanted to show you today. If you get a chance, y'all check out Mike's channel. I'll put a card at the top. The ingredients for this recipe are 16 ounces of cleaned and cut up mushrooms, and don't worry about the amount, they will cook down. About 3 medium carrots, about 3 medium stalks of celery, 1 large yellow onion, and about 4 cloves of garlic. We've got about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We've got 32 ounces of unsalted beef broth. We've got some ground pepper, some paprika, basil, oregano, and thyme. Now you can use Italian seasoning if you like. I just didn't have any, so I'm using these. I've got about 2 pounds of potatoes here, yellow potatoes, and I've got them in the water to keep them from turning brown, and about 2 pounds of chuck steak trimmed. We're going to start off by coating this meat with some flour. Shake it up there real good. And then we're going to brown it in a cast iron pan. We don't want to cook it all the way through, you just want to brown it a little bit. After this, we want to cut it up real good. Next, in the drippings that we have left, we're going to cook our onions. Throw our onions in there. We're going to cook these till they're translucent, about 5 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of pepper in there, a little bit of salt. Now, there goes the garlic. Red wine. This will deglaze the pan. Tomato paste. That's our tomato paste right there. And then put in our mushrooms. And we'll cook these till the mushrooms cook down. We're going to put everything in a Dutch oven or a pot or an Instant Pot, whatever you got. Give that a good stir. We'll put in just a little bit of sea salt and some more pepper. Now in goes our meat. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to cover it up and let it simmer for about 90 minutes. Alright, it's been 90 minutes already. Now we're going to start adding our vegetables. Well, we're going to taste test it first. We're going to put in our potatoes, our carrots, our celery. We're going to cover it over, we're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for about another 2 hours. And it's been 2 hours now. We're going to put in our last ingredient, green peas, frozen green peas, and we're going to let it simmer for about another 15 minutes. Then it'll be ready to eat. That is so flavorful. And the meat just melts in your mouth. Got a loaf of French bread here. Break a piece off. Just dip that in that juice. Man, that's good, folks. Well, this brings another cooking session to a close. I want to thank you all for stopping by, and all of those of you who subscribe to my channel. I just want to mention one thing. Don't take today for granted, because when it's gone, folks. This is Dave Tbsp. Until next time, cheers, and y'all be safe. Bye-bye.